Hello viewers, today I am going to create an example in two different approaches. So let us start creating the part. First I am selecting the top plane for starting the sketch and I am taking a circle and the diameter is 100 millimeters. Then I am extruding the circle about 20 millimeters. Then on the top surface I am drawing one more circle with a diameter of 60 millimeters, extruding it to 20 millimeters. So both the parts are merged, and I'm creating one more circle on the top, which I'm going to cut it through all with 25 millimeters. Let me make it 40 millimeters. I hope it is okay. And, and so I want to create a rib, and I'm selecting the front plane and drawing a sketch and wide axis 15 millimeters and also next side 15 millimeters. And just set it and let me set the rib picture here. How we got yes, it worked. So I just changed the dimension. I want it to be 6 millimeters in. So let me make a circular pattern with 360 degree and 4 number of parts and the reviews pattern. So on this surface I want to make a hole and I want to use the same pattern, so I just drag it back and now I want to draw a circle. So this circle I want to give some dimensions angle, which is 45 degree angle. I'm going to give it here. In circle I'm going to mention it with the center line. So this is the circle with 75, and this circle I'm going to make it around 10 millimeters. Let me make it 80 so that it makes sense under the both bodies. I'm selecting up to next feature. The texture is done. So let me edit the circular pattern. I'm going to add the hole. Look, it looks like this. Then I just want to color it. Let me make a color to the body. So to the entire body, I'm going to select some red color. Here I'm selecting yellow color. And then I just want to change the rib colors to different. Let us go for the second approach. So here, let me select the part. Here I'll select the front plane and the center line from origin to the upward direction, vertical direction. Then I'm going to draw a line and Yeah, as shown here. I'll turn this and I will make it coincide with the origin. Then let me give the dimensions. I want a diameter here. If you cross the center line, it will be a diameter, or in one direction it will be a radius. So let me give the 40 dimension as we given the first approach, and it will be 100 diameter, and this will be 60 millimeters. Now, sorry, so this dimension will be 20 millimeters, and total height is 40 millimeters. So now I'll just revolve this body. Okay. So on this surface, sorry, on the front plane we'll make a rib. So I'll just give a gap of 2 millimeters from each edge. Then we'll make a rib for the features. Select the rib feature. So let me make a dimension as 5 millimeters. Okay. This time I'll make the hole at the starting stage. Draw a horizontal line and angular line. Make a 80 diameter circle. That will be for construction. This dimension I will give 80 millimeters. The angle is 45 degrees. So we'll draw one more circle here, which is coincident with the line in the arc. So this will give, let us assume 15 millimeters. The feature cut extrude up to next. Okay. This circle looks very big, so the hole size I'm going to make it 12 millimeters. Yes, let us rebuild. Okay, so I'm gonna make it circular pattern for both the features. Just looking at and for number of entities, and selecting, we can select in the tree otherwise, or get directly to the features. So I'm selecting the tree here. Entities done. As compared to the previous process, it is the easiest process in creating, but we have to think in such a way. The world feature. So let us change the colors. Here I will give revolve feature yellow color. Then the red color. Also the holes, red color. Okay. So let me save this part to my folder. I'm saving this part as example 1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.